Hi, my name is Antonio Melendez.
Hello, I'm Julian Pegues.
I'm Jake Cooley.
And I'm Javon Melendez.
Together, we built Open House, a simple app for real estate agents to host open house events and generate leads from potential homebuyers.
We started building Open House because we were approached by the team at Inside Real Estate. They needed to build this app, but they didn't have the engineering resources, so they contracted us to build it for them.
We built the mobile app using React Native. We use Redux for state management, Node.js for the backend, and MongoDB for the database. We followed a Kanban flow to coordinate our group efforts.
As we demo the project, you'll see how a user will use key features in the product and what we focused on.
The real estate agent will log in, where they're able to view past open houses. They're able to create a new open house by entering an MLS number. They'll be able to pull up the MLS number and confirm if they got the right MLS number they were looking for.
The real estate agent chooses a few questions they want from the home buyer. Then the agent selects what they want to display for the open house. The agent can add hashtags to make it easier for the agent to search terms related to the open house.
This is where the real estate agent previews the sign-up form they just made. Once they confirm it, it'll prompt them to create a PIN number. This is a security feature to prevent an open house guest from accessing private information. This is where the open house guest enters their information. The guest will check in and they receive a confirmation once they have submitted their form. And once they want to leave a page, it will again prompt them for their PIN number the real estate agent created earlier.
The real estate agent can now look at the guest information record and use this information to contact prospective homebuyers. One of our major responsibilities on the project was building the user interface.
Nailing the user interface was critical because it contributes to the user experience, and it was important to the client to get the application pixel perfect.
One of the challenges we ran into while building this app was styling with React Native. We had to learn Flexbox in order to solve styling issues. Another challenge was debugging Redux in the React Native environment. We solved that by adding a package to debug the project, and we also found an external application that debugs Redux and React Native.
With more time, we would continue to improve styling with focus on the image view part of the project by making the images more responsive. Thanks for taking the time to watch our demo.